Hey, lovelies, that is how I almost forgot my OKS passphrase. Hey, my head was turning until I remember I wrote it down somewhere. I missed a word in my passphrase, so when I saved it. Anyway, that's not what brought me here. So if you have been trying to do your or sign up for Monadscore Testnet Project and it's not working, like me, I have a perfect solution for you. So one of my Telegram subscribers showed me or shared with me Monadscore, and I browsed through it. I did my research and I said, wow, this is a good project. Oh yeah, time to sign up now. Instead of having glitches here, left, right, center. I used Misses, I used MetaMask, I haven't used BitGet Wallet. Everything wasn't working until I found a perfect solution. I'm going to share it with you. Now, Monadscore just started recently, and it is a testnet project, and you want to start doing it ASAP. And I'm using my OKX. Yes, I'm using my OKX to do this. So you just need to come down here and you click on Discover. And once you click on Discover, if you have not downloaded OKX, just go and download it. I think I have a video on this channel on how to set up your OKX account. So then you're going to come here that shows search the apps or enter a URL. And you're going to copy the URL that's in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment, or just join the Telegram channel. And the link to my Telegram channel is in my description box of this video or first pinned comment, and you just copy the link from the Telegram channel. It's as simple as that. Just copy the link, come here and paste it. This is the only way you're going to be able to sign in or start your Monadscore. And you need a referral link. I'm using my Telegram subscriber referral link to do this. So I'm going to click on done. Now, if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates. I hunt for airdrop that I'm mostly not Telegram airdrop. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, mochos, food tray, commercial drinks from time to time. I share my millionaire tutorials and how to earn money on the side where I'm waiting for that particular offer or job, or even as a side also. So yes, this is the channel you want to subscribe to. So you're going to come here and you're going to click on this visit. Yes, visit Monadscore. Remember I said you need a referral link. You need a referral link. So I'm going to just come here and I'll click on this confirm. And it's going to run this, and ladies and gents, we are signed in to our Monadscore. So once you are here, you are going to connect your wallet. You're going to connect your wallet. So just come here, you click on connect wallet. You need to connect wallet after entering your after logging in. You need to connect your wallet. So I clicked on, let me go back and do that again. Click on connect wallet and it's going to pop this up. Now yes, you're going to click on your MetaMask. Just click on MetaMask like this, and you come down here and click on get a wallet, and then you select MetaMask. It's going to load this option for you and sign in. And so it's going to click on install, and you're going to click on sign in to your MetaMask. On like it open like a Play Store where you click on install and you sign in with your email address. Then it will ask you to confirm your email address. I didn't want to show that part because YouTube will flag my video that I'm showing personal information. So if you ask you to sign in into your Play Store and you enter your email address, then to take you to your device to confirm that you're the one trying to log in into your email address, and once you sign in, it will automatically redirect you back to OKX here, and you will see that this will now show add your wallet. So if you already have a wallet and if you're already mining Monadscore Testnet Project, you just need to come here and click on import. But if not, if you have been having issues like me and just registering, just come down here and click on create wallet. Right, I'll click on create wallet, and once you click on create wallet, it's going to ask you to seed phrase wallet, click on create now. I'm going to verify with my fingers. It's going to load just like so. Just allow it to extend. And yes, see, I already have account A and I have account B, and now I don't want to make mistake, so I'm going to name this account. I'm going to name this account B. This particular account, I'm going to name it so that I don't have mistake, I don't make mistake. So I'm going to come in now and click on backup. Just follow what I am doing. Follow what I'm doing. So you can back up to your Google Drive, or you can back up by writing it down. I'm just going to do continue here. Make sure your screen is, I understand. Okay, backup seed phrase, enter my, okay, then I am going to come here and I'll click on this eye or icon to copy my seed phrase, and I'll go and paste it on my Telegram channel. So yes guys, or I'll write it down. Now I'll do that off camera, and I'll come back here and click on continue, and I'll get back to the video. Then after you've copied down or written down your seed phrase, it will ask you to authenticate it by listing some words in the key phrase. Like I asked you for number 2, number 3, or number 4. So now come here, I'll select a wallet. I'll select this particular wallet. I'll just select this particular wallet, and then that wallet will be for my Monadscore. Yes, so look at it right now. It's already showing here. I just want to show you something. You see this place that shows wallet, right? I'll click on this drop down button. If I click on this drop down button, you're going to see this that shows manage accounts. I'll click on this manage account. Just watch me. We don't want to make mistake. So this is the new wallet I just created. I just made as my Monadscore wallet. I will now come there and click on that 3 button, and I'm going to come here and I'll click on this icon here, this edit icon, and I'm going to just write here Monadscore, so that I do not make a mistake. And I'll click on confirm, and you see I've saved that wallet. As simple as that. So this my wallet A is like my main wallet, then this is for the Monadscore. So any other wallet I want to add, I'll just add them and write the name, so I do not make mistake. Come here, after you successfully connected your wallet, you're now going to see this sign wallet and continue. This is what you're going to click on. Don't click on this, not going to work. Don't click on this, not going to work. Is this you are going to do. Now if you don't see it, just log out of your OKX and come back again later. Come back like 2 hours later, because at the first time I didn't see it, then I went back and came back later and I was reflecting. So you just need to click on the sign wallet and continue, and it will just load this signing in message. You click on yes to confirm. Then I'm going to use my biometrics to verify that, and it's going to load. So like I said, this is the only way you're going to log in successfully. So ladies and gents, we are successfully logged into our Monadscore Testnet project on OKX. So listen carefully. There are some things you need to do. You need to run this ad. I need to run this ad for at least 50 hours to be eligible for the testnet airdrop. You need to run this node. You need to run this node for at least 50 hours for you to be eligible for your testnet airdrop. So even if you have like 50 referrals and only 5 are running the ads, Monadscore is going to consider the other 45 as bots. It is only the 5 that run the node for 50 hours at least. That is 2 days. That the ones that are going to be eligible to claim their testnet airdrop tokens. Hope you understand. So you need to run this ad. So just come here, you click on this to run the ad, and then you see it will show to bring this sign in message again, just like what happens on layer edge. You click on confirm, you verify, and your node is going to be running. Once it's running, you're going to come down to this burger sign here. Say not connected. You are currently connected. Keep your connection on to keep earning. See, then another thing is you need to come to this place here. This place that shows these three burger signs. Just come here, and you're going to come and click on this stacks. You click on the stacks, and once you click on that stacks, you come here and you're going to see all the stacks. You're going to do all the stacks to earn. Look at all the stacks, just do them to earn. So it says 1, daily check-in. You click here to check in. You see it's showing done. The second thing is it's showing done here. Second task I want to do is follow Molondra on X. So you click on do tax. It will load your X dashboard, and then it will show this connected to Monad. Click on login. You do that. Let me do that. I've done that. You come here, you click on claim, then join our Discord, follow Monadscore on X. You just go ahead and do all the stacks. So I want to show you something again. You click on that 3 burger sign, you click on referrals. Then once you click on referral, you come here and you copy your Monadscore referral link. Just click on it to copy. Like I said, this is still on the early stage. See it here? It is still on the early stage, so you can join right now. You click on that link to copy, and once you copy it, you're going to see your active referrals here. Your active referrals are those who are running their node and have run their node for at least 50 hours, at least. That is a minimum of 2 days. Yes, while your pending referrals are those that Monadscore considers as bots who have not run their node for at least 50 hours. So make sure your referrals run their node for 50 hours. And if you are joining via my link, make sure you run your node for at least 50 hours. Then let me come back again to that burger sign. You click that burger sign, and then I come back to dashboard. You can see that my node is running. So and I started this node around 8:20. So it means around, I will set my alarm just like I do for all of my other airdrop projects. Just make sure I come back here around 8:20 again the next day to run this node again. Please, this is very important. Make sure you're running your node. Make sure you're running your node. So if you follow the steps we have showed you, you're not going to have any issue logging into your Monadscore. If you have watched my video to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please do me a big favor and subscribe. Leave me comments in the comment section. Ask me questions. I usually respond to your comments irrespective of how many times you ask. And if you really want to make it on airdrop projects, like I said, do a buy course from Telegram airdrop project and concentrate on all these other airdrop projects I'm bringing to you. And this way, you're going to make something very tangible for yourself this year. So that is all for me for now. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.